Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you how I created these A6 size dashboards for my binders. If there's something you're interested in, stay tuned. So I decided to go ahead and create me some dashboards for my binders because I find that I save more money when my binders are aesthetically pleasing. So I went ahead and took a trip to Hobby Lobby and picked up me some paper, 2 sheets of vellum and 2 sheets of craft paper. They were actually on sale, 40% off. The vellum was like 69 cents each. So with 40% off, I mean, I didn't pay much for a sheet of vellum, and the craft paper was 99 cents. So I just picked out some designs that I like and that I think will go well with my binders. And I measured my envelopes because I like for my binders to be the same length and width as my envelopes. I don't like an overhang. And so I did my measurements. My envelopes were 3 1/4 by 6 1/4 inches. So that's what I'm doing right here, just cutting it down to size, and then I just laminated them and hole punched them. It was a little tedious because I wanted them to look a certain way in the binder, so yeah. But if you're interested in a step-by-step tutorial, I can recreate this video and do a step-by-step. I had been eyeing some dashboards, but I decided since I'm focused more on paying off debt, you know, and buying a new house and investing more, I just took a little time out my schedule just to save some money. So I created 4 to 5 A6 dashboards for under $5. So I think that's great. So yeah, so I really like them. So I hope you like them too. Let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite, or if you're interested in a step-by-step tutorial. So this is my retirement binder, and I layered the vellum roses with this antique looking paper because, you know, the monograms from the Coach envelopes would show through the vellum, so I had to layer it. And I also did the same thing for my new home binder. You'll be seeing this in videos soon. And these are some trackers that I picked up from Aya Plans here on YouTube. It was a digital download. I just laminated them, rounded out the corners, and added them to my binder. So yeah, so I'm doing things on my journey that keep me motivated, and this is one thing that keeps me motivated, having my binders aesthetically pleasing. So yeah, trust the process. Trust the process, guys. I picked this binder up from Jasmine Wallet, and that was in my package. So yeah, so I think this dashboard here is my favorite. I think this is my low priority binder. So I took this vellum design right here and layered it on top of some roses. So yeah, so these are my A6 binders. Let me know in the comment section what you think of my binders. How did you think I did with creating them? I messed up a few of them, just gonna be honest, but I didn't give up, so I just kept going. So yeah, so this is Mrs Vee. I'm always show you a way to save. Thank you, and have a nice day.